Ancient texts and strange energies. Several ancient texts and traditions seem to describe forces or technologies that sound to modern ears like they might involve unknown energies. Here's a breakdown of some of the most intriguing examples. 1. The Vedas and Vimana texts, ancient India. The Vedas, especially texts like the Rig Veda and Samarangana Sutradhara, describe the flying machines called Vya. Some descriptions hint at energy sources that aren't simply mechanical. For instance, Mercury engines and power of the atmosphere are mentioned in the Vaimanika, a later text attributed to earlier Vedic knowledge, though its authenticity is debated. There are descriptions of devices using anti-gravity-like forces and complex metals. Some translations talk about motion through the power of the ether, which could be interpreted very loosely as zero-point energy concepts. 2. The Book of Enoch, Judeo-Christian tradition. In this very old Jewish text not included in the Bible for most groups, there are stories of watchers, angels teaching humans about advanced sciences, including metallurgy, astronomy, and weaponry. Some interpretations see this as a mythologized version of a lost technological past, possibly involving exotic energy uses. 3. Egyptian texts. The pyramid texts and the Djed pillar. The Djed pillar symbol seen in Egyptian temples is often called the backbone of Osiris and is associated with stability and energy. Some alternative historians suggest it could represent a technology, perhaps related to energy transmission or resonance. The pyramid texts and coffin texts sometimes refer to power and ascension, using phrases that can sound technological if taken metaphorically. 4. The Mahabharata. In this vast ancient epic, there are accounts of devastating celestial weapons, like the Brahmastra that can destroy entire cities, described in ways that sound eerily like nuclear or energetic blasts. Some researchers think these could be mythologized memories of high-energy devices. 5. Sumerian tablets, Anunnaki, and Me tablets. The Anunnaki are described as gods who gave knowledge to humanity. The Me tablets are described as divine decrees, but also contain elements like technological control over aspects of civilization. Some fringe researchers speculate these could symbolize ancient knowledge of energy manipulation. How serious is all this? Mainstream historians view these as mythological, symbolic stories, not evidence of ancient technology. Alternative historians like Zakaria Sitchin and others argue that these could hint at forgotten or misunderstood forms of ancient high technology, maybe even using energies like magnetism, sound, resonance, or even vacuum energy. Important. There is no scientific proof yet that ancient civilizations had zero-point energy machines, but it is an incredibly rich area for imaginative research and discussion.